Sometimes kids think they're really funny and they say, make me a worm or a snake, when really all they're just referring to is an inflated balloon. However, even though you've heard that a million times, you can still have a little laugh with them and whip out this beauty. Hello, my name's Joy/Fairy Liquid from the magical land of Jing Jang Jujong, helping entertain you to entertain kids, one balloon at a time. Fast, easy balloons that kids actually love. Okay, so this one isn't the fastest or the easiest. It's a little bit fiddly, but it's definitely something you need to have up your sleeve. Now, this builds on my previous tutorial on the curly Q or the curly balloon. So you may want to check that one out and have a little go at the different methods, find which one works for you, have some practice if you really want to make a perfect spiral. However, if you're not bothered and just want to do it quickly, then this is the one for you. Okay. So just take a 260 or a 160. We're going to inflate it and then let all the air out. Whoops, how rude. Okay, so we've got our deflated balloon. Now, next, just take a section, doesn't have to be that big, maybe like a few fingers long or something, and tie a knot. All will be revealed. All right, now, with the rest, we're going to wrap it around our fingers. Now, we're going to have it pointing down. And then we're going to go around, making sure there are no kinks, just like a hose pipe, ending up with it pointing down. Now, if you are able to blow it up with your mouth, that would be the easiest solution. If you want to use a hand pump, check out my tutorial for the different ways. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use my foot pump, my floor pump. Is that okay?
Here we go.
Okay, so it's not brilliant, but it doesn't matter. Just tie that off. I might just let a little bit of air out so it's not going to pop. Okie dokie. So with this end, we're going to, you're going to make two eyes. So just make two round bubbles. Put that, two fingers, and another one there. Try to make them the same size. And then we're just going to lift up and rotate them together. Now we're going to make some lips for the snake. So just bend it over like that. Pinch together and twist, because that is the fastest way. We're going to make another one exactly the same size. Bend it over like that. We're going to pinch there and pinch there. Squash together. Twisty, 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 twisty. Right, now we're going to get our little end bit there. Put that between the lips. We've got our eyes up there. Ooh. And we've got a little snake. And all you need to do is finish with some eyes. Woo! And you've got a really fast one balloon snake. This one looks a little bit like Tigger, don't you think? It reminds me of Tigger. Anyway, there are other variations you can make as well. You don't have to do the extra bit. If you want it to be longer, you can just leave out the tongue there. It's quite a cute little one. The balloons I do recommend are in my videos and playlists, which are entitled Top 5 Most Popular Balloons and First 5 Balloons to Start With. If that was helpful to you, do give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and feel free to buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/joyjoy. Thanks. See you in the next video.